Did you know that light stage, the 3D scanning technique, is a 23-year-old tech? Yes, this light stage technique is used to capture models of objects, environments, and even actors that are mostly used in like games or movies. It is very popular among games like in Call of Duty and also in movies like Gemini Man, and it's also being used in Indian movies like The Next Project of Venkat Prabhu. This technology was first used on Robin Williams for a Disney movie back in 2000 to create the CGI character Genie that he played in the movie Aladdin. And how this actually works is it shines light on the subject from different angles within this sphere like looking light stage, or also there are mobile versions which is like a wall that was used to capture the President Obama also. What this does is it shines the light and then tries to capture the data that is accumulated from these light reflected from the objects from different angles to create high levels of details of the object or the subject that it is capturing, and even reconstruct the object with so much accuracy. Anyways, that's it from me. If you like this video, leave it a thumbs up and see you in the next one.